Let's talk about sex, baby. Today we're gonna talk about foods and drinks that you should prevent prior to engaging in sex. Let's talk about sex, baby. The list goes on. I created this exercise workout to make people feel sexy or get their sexy back and last longer in the bedroom. But one thing that a lot of people forget about, it's foods and drinks prior to having sex that can make or break your sexual journey. So today I'm going to break down 5 drinks and foods that you wanna not have prior to having sex. You ready? Let's go. Number 1, French fries. Yeah, those crispy, delicious fries that you may like to have sometimes. I love them too. But unfortunately, it lowers testosterone levels, and that is one food that you want to try to avoid having prior to sex because you don't want your testosterone levels to lower and cause the, to lower that action as well. Why don't you replace it with a little bit of cantaloupe, a little bit of fresh strawberries? That will hold you over. And guess what? As your prize after amazing sex, have yourself some damn French fries. Number 2, hot dogs. I love me a nice hot dog, and you may be watching right now saying, well, shoot, I like it too. Some people may not like it, but I'm telling you, stay away from hot dogs. They cause penile and vaginal arteries, which block your blood flow, which blood flow is so important to have really, and I'm talking really good sex. Instead, grab yourself some fish tacos. They're full of omega-3s and they're awesome for cardiovascular blood flow. That is right there something that you're gonna love and really enjoy where it counts. Number 3, tofu. My tofu people out there, I love you. But bad news, bad news. Unfortunately, it increases estrogen levels, which lowers the sex drive for both women and men. So stay away from this. Instead, have yourself some salad, some fruit, something nice and light. Because if you want to enjoy that bump and grind, you don't want to have that tofu in you. You want to stay good. So grab a salad, grab some fruit, enjoy. Number 4, energy drinks. I know you're thinking, oh my God, I love that energy, that boost to get that boom, boom, shakalaka before having sex. Yes, it's going to give you quick, immediate energy. But instant gratification is not what you need. Unfortunately, energy drinks lower your serotonin levels so low that it just messes up your head. And believe it or not, sex is 80% mental. So you want to keep that mind right, body tight to get that sex the way you want it. So stay away from energy drinks. I assure you, you will enjoy your sex a lot better without them. Number 5, wine. Red wine. Oish! I love me some wine. But here's the deal. You can only have 1 glass, maybe 2 prior to having really good sex. When you have more than that, unfortunately, it's not looking too good. It lowers sensitivity for both women and men, and especially on men. Erections, not too good. They don't really, well, you get the point. Look, stick to 1 glass if you can, 2 at max. Make sure you eat prior to, but don't overdo it because, look, sometimes, and this is a proven fact, when you just have sober sex, it can be the best because you can feel, you can touch, you can smell everything and be in one. Feel that zen. And those were my 5 tips on foods and drinks to avoid prior to having amazing, I'm talking amazing sex. Shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Share this with your buddies, your female friends, your guy friends, or just keep it to yourself and just be like, I want to take this to the next and best level. Leave me your comments. And most importantly, if you want to take your fitness in the bedroom and outside of the bedroom to the best level, check out my sexercise workout video along with my food programs. The link is on the description, or you can just visit jasonroselle.com or sexerciseworkout.com and get your sexy on. Get that booty pop shaking, baby. Hey, keep that mind right, body tight, and what? Keep it caliente, baby. I'll see you in the next one.